Welcome! Today we're venturing into the heart of Germany, but not the Germany you think you know. We'll leave behind the cities and explore hidden landscapes where nature and history intertwine. From the soaring Alps to tranquil lakes, ancient forests, and storybook castles, we'll discover the country's quiet wonders. This isn't just a tour, it's an immersion into Germany's most enchanting, lesser-known corners. Join me as we witness the drama of nature and the legacy of the past, all brought to life through claymation. Prepare to see Germany as you've never seen it before. Our adventure begins now, in the pristine Alps. We start in Bavaria's southeast, in Berchtesgaden National Park, one of Germany's oldest protected areas. Here, jagged peaks and wild meadows create a landscape shaped by glaciers and time. Golden eagles soar above, while chamois and ibex navigate the cliffs below. Trails wind through ancient forests and up to panoramic alpine vistas, each step a journey through geological history. The park's valleys and rock layers reveal stories of ancient seas and monumental upheavals. Hiking here is a humbling reminder of our small place in nature's grand design. Berchtesgaden is a living museum, raw, beautiful, and profoundly peaceful. Let's explore its wild heart. Deep within Berchtesgaden lies Königssee, King's Lake, a fjord-like expanse of crystal-clear water framed by sheer mountains. Only electric boats are allowed, preserving the lake's pristine silence. Glide across the water and listen as a trumpet's notes echo hauntingly off the cliffs. A magical dialogue between music and mountain. The journey leads to St. Bartholomew's Church, its red domes a striking contrast to the emerald lake and dark forest. This spot has drawn pilgrims and travelers for centuries. You can wander to the Ice Chapel, a permanent ice cave at the Watzmann's base. But the true magic is simply sitting by the shore, watching the light shift and soaking in the quiet. Königssee is a natural cathedral, serene, powerful, unforgettable. It's Germany's hidden masterpiece. Westward, at the foot of Germany's highest peak, Zugspitze, lies Eibsee, a lake of dazzling emerald and turquoise. Its clarity and color come from a chalky bed and pure mountain water, dotted with 8 tiny islands born from an ancient landslide. Paddle or row between these islets for ever-changing views of the towering Zugspitze reflected in the water. A 7-kilometer trail circles the lake, shifting from cool forests to sunlit coves and hidden beaches. Eibsee is vibrant, joyful, and feels like a living painting. Unlike the solemn Königssee, it's a place of playful wonder. Here, nature's colors and the mountain's presence create a harmony that captivates all who visit. Eibsee is a true alpine gem. Leaving the lakes, we ascend to Hohenzollern Castle, perched high in the Swabian Jura. Rising above the clouds, this Gothic revival fortress is a symbol of the Hohenzollern dynasty's legacy. Its grand halls hold imperial treasures, including the crown of Wilhelm II and relics of Frederick the Great. The approach winds up a steep hill, building anticipation until you pass through the Eagle Gate into a world of history and legend. From the ramparts, sweeping views stretch across Swabia's hills and forests. Hohenzollern is more than a castle. It's a monument to power, ambition, and the romance of the past. A true silhouette against the German sky. Next, we visit Liechtenstein Castle, Württemberg's fairytale fortress perched dramatically on a cliff. Inspired by a romantic novel, it was built not for war, but for dreams. Cross a slender bridge to enter its neo-Gothic halls filled with period treasures and dizzying valley views. Unlike grand fortresses, Liechtenstein is intimate. A poet's retreat brought to life. It's a testament to the power of stories and the passion to make them real. Here, romance and nostalgia shape stone and sky. Liechtenstein Castle is a true hidden gem. Now, to Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a town where the Middle Ages live on. Walk its cobbled streets and intact city walls for a journey back in time. The Plonlein, with its iconic half-timbered house, is the town's fairytale heart. Climb the town hall tower for sweeping views of red roofs and the Tauber Valley. Rothenburg invites you to slow down, wander, and savor its timeless charm. At night, gas lamps cast a magical glow, and history feels alive. This is more than a backdrop, it's a living storybook. Rothenburg is Germany's medieval jewel. Our final stop is the Blautopf, or Blue Pot, in Blauburen, a spring of mesmerizing, shifting blue. Its color comes from limestone particles scattering sunlight, not minerals or algae. The spring is the entrance to a vast, mysterious cave system, explored only by expert divers. Legends tell of water nymphs and bottomless depths, blending science and myth. Stand at the edge and feel both the rational and the magical at play. The Blautopf's luminous blue holds secrets and stories beyond explanation. It's a fittingly mystical end to our journey. Nature's wonders and legends meet here. Our journey through Germany's hidden gems ends here, but your adventure can begin. From alpine peaks to fairytale castles and mystical springs, these places invite you to explore beyond the familiar. I hope this claymation journey has inspired you to seek out the world's quiet wonders. The greatest reward of travel is discovering new beauty and forging deeper connections. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe for more adventures from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.